Today we're highlighting one of the most versatile defenders in Rainbow Six Siege, Maestro. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, this guide will help you master Maestro's loadout, set up his evil eye cameras effectively, and coordinate with your team for maximum impact. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about Maestro's loadout. Maestro comes equipped with the Alda 5.56 LMG, which is a beast of a weapon with a high rate of fire and a large magazine size. For those who prefer a shotgun, the ACS-12 is a solid choice, offering great damage and range. As for his secondary, the Bailiff 410 revolver is perfect for creating rotation holes and soft destruction. Maestro comes with the option to choose between barbed wire, impact grenades, and observation blockers. Each of these three items are important in their own right, and we'll go over all of them. Before we dive into setups and strategies, make sure to hit that like button if you find this guide helpful, and subscribe to Bragur Streaming for more Rainbow Six Siege content. Now let's get those evil eyes rolling. Maestro's evil eye cameras are his signature gadget, and their placement can make or break your defense. Place one evil eye in high traffic areas like bomb sites or key corridors to gather intel and zap attackers. The second evil eye should be placed in a more concealed spot, such as behind indestructible objects or in corners, to catch attackers off guard. Remember, the evil eye can see through smoke and is bulletproof when closed, making it a powerful tool for both intel and denial. One of my favorite places to put cameras is in the CEO office on Emerald Plains. You can place the camera in this little tucked in corner right here. This will make it so it can't be seen from the window, while still giving you an entire view of this common plant spot where you can shoot anybody that's planting. Another place where I like to put a camera to be able to defend this bomb site is right up on this desk. Any attacker that is going to try and get to this camera is going to have to run up and jump on the desk, which is going to be very, very difficult if you're still holding the site. Using your cameras to deny the plant is a very effective strategy, but let's talk about another strategy. Sometimes you want to use your cameras to gather intel. And in that case, you're going to want to put a camera somewhere where enemies are going to push so that you can get the intel that you need. If you place a camera up here in the hunting hall, you'll be able to get a view of anybody pushing in on this door from either the library, the green hallway balcony, or here on hunting. Also, the camera is high up and out of the way and is going to be very difficult to hit. Quick reminder, these cameras are bulletproof while they are closed. Another place where I really like to put Maestro cameras is right up here above this table in the game room on Oregon. This camera lets you see the default plant right here, and largely goes unnoticed by most attackers. I've even got a clip to show you how well this goes.
10 seconds left. Pointing.
Maestro cameras can also be used to deny the breach, such as in a location like this, an attic on Oregon. You can place Maestro camera right here where it will go largely unnoticed, and you'll be able to deny any breaches that they put on there, anything short of a Maverick, which, you can just shock the Maverick too. Let's talk about damage for a second. A single beam from the laser will do about 5 points of damage to any operator. Now, for 3 armor operators, this can take quite a time to take it down, but you should, in one overheat battery, be able to eliminate any attacker. All right, let's step it back for just a moment and talk about each of the gadgets that Maestro can have. He can have barbed wire, impact grenades, and observation blockers, and each of these are important in their own ways, and let me show you. We all know that Brava can hack evil eyes, but if you put an observation blocker directly in front of your camera, it will stop Brava from being able to hack the camera at all, as it will block it and stop the line of sight of the camera, therefore making it so that your camera will be safe. So you've got your camera all set up right above the hatch where it's nice and safe, nobody can go up and melee it, but then Brava comes along and she just ruins the whole party. Now that Brava's hacked your camera, you can go ahead and impact that sucker to get rid of it. Using barbed wire paired with your Maestro cameras can create a situation where an attacker, when pushing on the stairs, will have to deal with the barbed wire, then seeing that there's a cam, will have to deal with that cam as well, making it very difficult to push certain objectives. That's it for today's guide on Maestro. I hope you found these tips and strategies helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and comment below with your favorite Maestro tactics. And subscribe to Bragur Streaming for more in-depth Rainbow Six Siege content. Until next time, keep playing smart and stay tactical.